Hi, I'm Mel. Today I'm going to talk to you about Sculptra. It's one of our aesthetic treatments designed to address the problem of facial volume loss in a very natural way. As we age, we lose volume in our faces. When we're young, everything's quite round and convex and bouncy. But as we start to age, that changes, right from the underlying sort of skeleton as well. So things like, for instance, when we're young, we've got quite a lot of bone density. As we get older, we start to lose a little bit of volume in the temples. We start to lose volume at the side of our faces. The aperture where our noses are becomes a little bit wider, and you start to get the little creases and the nasolabial folds. The other thing that changes, we have fat pads in our face, and we have fat pads in the temple, in the cheeks, around the side and around the jaw. Again, as we get older, they start to drop, they start to lose their kind of plumpness, and also with the skin laxity you start to get the loss of volume and the more jowly look to the face. Using a product like Sculptra, we inject it into various areas of the face and it stimulates your own collagen. So over a short period of time, you get an increase in the volume in the face. And this is a very natural because it's your own collagen that's actually being stimulated. It's a substance called polyl-lactic acid. It's the same substance that's used in absorbable sutures or stitches that dissolve. And that's what happens then is that it's your own collagen that kind of repairs the wound. So it is a series of injections. Now it does take a little while for the results to be seen. It's a number of weeks and you have about 3 treatments over a period of about 3 months. But the result will last about 2.5 years. Compared to your regular dermal fillers, which are a little bit more of an immediate result, but they only last 6 to 9, maybe 12 months. And they're very sort of specific to certain areas of the face, whereas with the Sculptra, we're looking at doing the whole face and kind of rejuvenating that whole area. So that's a brief description of the Sculptra treatment. Obviously, when you come along for a consultation, we will go into it in a little bit more depth and talk a little bit more about the aftercare that's necessary, because there is those things that have to be considered. With everything that we do, we like you to come along, have a consultation, and we can look at you and we can decide the best options for treatment and which treatments are going to suit you at this time. So we'll be very happy to see you at Aurora Skin Clinics.